Kia ora, we are brothers Sonny and Haukapuanui and Vercoe. We grew up at Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Te Koutu in Rotorua, and now we are studying a Bachelor's of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Auckland Uni.
I think it's important that we take climate change seriously is because it's inevitable, it's happening now. We see the effects of it all around the world. Climate change is going to bring about more erratic weather events.
Our research looks into marae resilience and preparedness in natural hazard events. That's earthquakes, floodings, tsunami events, and so on.
I saw that it was the perfect opportunity to give back to my people of Te Arawa. Our research does incorporate mātauranga Māori, as it is by Māori and for Māori. We use kaupapa Māori research methodologies. We have found out so far that a lot of our marae in Te Arawa are not prepared for a natural hazard event. A lot of our marae also are not in contact with Civil Defence New Zealand, and therefore are not civil defence centres or civil defence points. Therefore, they are not aware of the civil defence management plans for the region.
But despite that, we have also found that there is always a strong workforce of volunteers to help out in times of crisis. So that aspect of whānau and aroha is always there. You can just look around you and see what's been going on in the world, not just at national level but at international levels as well. I feel like from a iwi and whānau perspective, this research would benefit us substantially. If marae are prepared, that means that whānau are prepared and also taken care of in these times.
I think we could take the same approach as we did with our COVID-19 response. If we all work together, we can all get there.